So you're probably wondering if your employer has the right to check your credit score. It's a valid concern, especially in today's job market, where employers are looking for any edge they can get when it comes to hiring the right candidate. Your credit score might seem like a personal financial matter, but it can actually play a role in the hiring process. Many people are unaware that their credit history can influence hiring decisions, leading to confusion and anxiety. I mean, think about it. You're applying for a job, and suddenly your credit score comes into play. It can be frustrating and even seem unfair. People start to wonder, is this really relevant to my ability to do the job? And that's a fair question. The thing is, some employers believe that a person's credit score can be an indicator of their financial responsibility, which they think might translate to being responsible at work. The thing is, some employers believe that a person's credit score can be an indicator of their financial responsibility, which they think might translate to being responsible at work. The truth is, it's not always clear how much weight is given to credit scores in hiring decisions. Some employers might use it as a screening tool, while others might not consider it at all. And then there are those who only check credit scores for certain types of jobs. This lack of transparency can lead to a lot of uncertainty and worry for job applicants. It's also worth noting that credit scores aren't always a perfect reflection of a person's financial situation. Life can throw curveballs, like medical bills or divorce, that can negatively impact your credit score, so it's not always a fair assessment of someone's financial responsibility. Employers can check credit scores, but there are some limitations and regulations they have to follow. In the U.S., for example, employers need to get written consent from the job applicant before checking their credit score. They're also only allowed to check credit scores for certain types of jobs, like those in finance or government. The types of jobs that are most likely to require a credit check are those that involve handling money, working with sensitive information, or having access to company finances. For instance, if you're applying to be an accountant or a financial analyst, your credit score might be scrutinized. On the other hand, if you're applying to be a software engineer, it's less likely that your credit score will be checked. A poor credit score might impact job opportunities in ways you wouldn't expect. For example, some employers might view a low credit score as a sign of financial instability, which could make them question your ability to handle company funds or make sound financial decisions. Real-life examples can illustrate this point. There are cases where people have been denied jobs due to their credit scores, only to find out that there were errors on their credit report. This can be devastating, especially if you've been searching for a job for a long time. Understanding the implications of credit scores on employment can help you take control of your financial health. By being proactive about your credit score, you can improve your chances of landing your dream job. If you've had any experiences with credit checks in hiring, I'd love to hear about them in the comments. And if you're interested in learning more about how to improve your credit score, be sure to check out our next video on that topic.